Good morning to all, my dear students of grade 10. This is your geography lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss your map work. As in the previous assignment, we discussed that your chapter number 6, location, extent and physical features will be there through map only. And we already discussed this concept in your online interaction that from this chapter there will be only map work, no written question answers will be there. So in our previous assignment we had discussed about the Himalayan range. In this assignment we will discuss about the Great Plains of North India. Okay, before starting this, I would like to discuss the syllabus of map work with yourself. Listen बच्चे, this is the syllabus and in this part the each and every point has been mentioned by the board. Okay, so map of India. In map of India, candidate required to locate, mark and name the following. So in mountains, these all mountains are there. In desert, only Thar desert. In rivers, these all rivers are there. In water bodies, these are the water bodies. Passes, two passes are there. Longitude and latitude. So these are the Tropic of Cancer and Standard Meridian. Direction of wind. Then distribution of minerals. In this, Mumbai High and for iron and coal, Jharia. Okay. Then soil distribution. 4 types of soil are there. Then cities. Then population. In population, they will only ask about the dense area and about the sparse area. Okay. So just look at this. In the previous assignment, I sent you the pics to fill in your maps. So these are the ranges beta which are mentioned in your syllabus. This is the Karakoram range. This is the Shivalik range. And all this part is known as Himalayan range. Okay. So main mountain peaks are given there. Okay. So which is in your syllabus? Let's discuss. Mount Godwin Austen, K2. K2 is here. This is K2. Okay. After that, Mountain Kanchenjunga. Okay. This is the Mountain Kanchenjunga. In this way, you have to search out the mountains. This is the Mount Everest. In this way, you have to search out the mountains which are included in your syllabus and you have to fill in your map work. So next topic is Great Plain of Northern India. Okay बच्चे. So this is the part of northern India and this is the hilly area. These are the plains. Understood? So plains are not mentioned in your syllabus बच्चे. Only rivers are mentioned there and you have to only label these. You will label these. These will be there already. Okay? Then next is the coastal. So in your syllabus that is already mentioned in the water bodies, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, including all these. Okay, there are the western and eastern Ghats. So बच्चे, this area is known as Western Ghat and this area is known as Eastern Ghat. This is the mention there, Western and Eastern Ghats. Okay. Peninsula plateau. Peninsula means which is surrounded by the water. And next are the main cities beta, which is mentioned in your syllabus. So this is Mumbai, this is the Western Ghat, this is Eastern Ghat, this is Mumbai. Along with Mumbai in your syllabus, that is Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kochi, Kanyakumari. This area is known as Gulf of Kutch and this is Gulf of Khambat. This is Arabian Sea and this is Bay of Bengal. And another water body in your syllabus is Chilka Lake. This is the Chilka Lake. Remember, फ्रॉम दिस 10 पॉइंट्स, इन 10 पॉइंट इन सभी पॉइंट्स में से आपको पेपर में खाली 10 पॉइंट्स आएंगे जो आपने कवर करने होंगे और उनमें से एक डेजर्ट भी आएगा डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज इन योर सिलेबस देयर इज ओनली वन डेजर्ट, दैट इज द थर्ड डेजर्ट एंड ग्रेटेस्ट इंडियन डेजर्ट. दिस एरिया यू हैव टू फिल. ओके. Turn over the page and there is the important South Asia drainage and other important cities. So all the other important cities which are in your syllabus are mentioned here. Okay, this is Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Kochi, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi. And these are the rivers. Understood बच्चे? This is very simple chapter and there will be only map work. No question answers from this chapter will be there. So in your next assignment we will discuss the 8th chapter. We will discuss 8th chapter, that is soil resources. From this chapter beta, this chapter will be also known as one unit. You remember in last year we had done the geography work as the unit wise. So this chapter has a full unit. Means इस एक chapter में से आपको 10 marks के questions आएंगे ही आएंगे final में. So be careful, learn it very properly. Okay, in the assignments I will send the answers of the self assessment and all the internals we will do hopefully later in the offline classes. Okay, and you have to read the chapter thoroughly. In next assignment we will read the chapter thoroughly and after that we will discuss the question answers. Thank you.